What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to go over this dash cam. This dash cam is actually a decent price. It's a budget price dash cam. And we are going to test out the quality. It does 1080p. It has 170-degree wide angle. It says super night vision, whatever super night vision means. G sensor, motion sensor, parking mode, all that stuff. But I don't know if all that comes equipped in this box. We will see. Just like with my other dash cam that I reviewed, you have to purchase the parking sensor separate. All right, so I'm not sure with this one. We are going to check. So let's go ahead and get into the box right now. All right, as soon as you open it, you have the little monitor. Now, this is actually, it seems smaller than what they advertise, but there goes your 2 inches. And you know you have the little black, I guess you would call it, what they call it. I don't know what they call it, but the black space right there, and then you have the black space right there. So basically your LCD screen is right here from what I see, but we will see when we put the camera on there. All right, and in the back of it, you have the camera. Of course, you have the mount right here. All right, nice and simple. And then you have the charger. So once again, I am not sure if like the parking mode and all that comes equipped already built in, or you have to buy something else separate. I will definitely let you know before I release the video. I will try to post it right there once I do my little research to find that out. Let's check this. All right, so the only thing comes in that bag is basically your power source. All right, and this wire is actually long, like really long. All right, you guys, my wife have her charger and stuff hooked up right there. Now I gotta hook this up here. Seems hard to get in. All right, there we go. Had to put a little bit of oomph into it to get it in. All right, now I'll do her wire management later, you guys. I'm just, for the sake of the review, I'm just trying to show y'all what the dash camera quality and stuff look like. She'll kill me if I don't have the wires right. With her, it has to be organized. So I will definitely have the wires straightened in this car, but in my car, I still didn't straighten up the wires. The wires are still everywhere. With Toyota, you have to turn the car on to have power or constant power. But in my Mercury, which is Ford, and most of my Fords, you can put your 12-volt power. That's the way it is. All right, don't need a copyright strike. All right, so on the bottom, this is the bottom right here. There's a slot. I'm gonna put the power in it right there on the bottom. I'm gonna take this part right there. I'm gonna slide it in, and it's a little complicated. All right, so you have to push it in. Oops, push it in, slide down, and then that's it. You guys, this is so light. Like the other one is heavy because you know it got the other cameras on it. This thing is like a feather. Like, now how do you go back? Power, picture in picture. Okay, so they got so many modes on here. Display mode, auto power off, beep sound. All right, you guys, so it may take me a little bit of time. They did not provide a SD card. That's probably one of the reasons why it's so cheap. Take another look. All right, so luckily we have a whole bunch of SD cards. All right, you guys, give me a little bit to deal with this because this is going to be a little bit complicated, and then I'll get back with y'all with some recording, and I'll try to see if I could give y'all a little walkthrough. Yeah, other than that, oh, I got to take the plastic off. I didn't even realize that. All right, so we take the plastic off of the lens. So now we'll see an even better picture. All right, you guys, so the mic should be on. Hopefully the mic is on. It says mic on it. So hopefully the mic is on. It looks pretty good inside the car, really. All right, you guys, so this is basically what it looks like. All right, get y'all right there so y'all can see. But yeah, that's basically it. I have the mic on, but I don't know if the mic is actually recording until I do my edit. Then I know it's recording. But yeah, so I am going to just do this quick loop so y'all can just actually see the camera action. Let me see if I can bust a U-turn. And we off. All right, you guys. All right, now it's nighttime, and I just want to show y'all what the camera looked like during the night. And I have to say that the camera looks pretty good. Now, since y'all know and heard the audio that I am doing a voiceover right now because I just want to wrap up this review. If I get time, I will go over the functions and everything on screen later on in a different video. Right now, I'm at the same turn, so it's just nighttime. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, hit me up in the comment section. Like, comment, and subscribe.